Okay, there's this kid. He always takes baths in milk. Fills a tub and he takes a bath in milk, and it's really weird. Nobody knows why. Another kid went up to him and said, "Hey, why do you always take baths in milk?" And the kid said, "I take baths in milk because I can't find a cow tall enough so I could take a shower." Oh, the second one. I was walking down the street the other day, and someone came up to me and they said, "Excuse me, sir, do you know the way to the zoo?" And I said, "Oh, I am so sorry. I do not. I apologize. I don't know the way to the zoo." And he said, "Well, the way to the zoo is you go 2 blocks that way and then turn left." He told me the way to the zoo. Jokes of the day, with a little bit of grammar, what the do, does, don't, and doesn't. If you like it, press the like button, subscribe, come back, tell your friends. You get some jokes, you get to laugh, and you learn a little bit of English. Come back tomorrow for 2 more.